please just leave him alone. I have my kids here. We're gonna get arrested and not him alone on the cruise. Stop! You guys, stop! Hey, stop!
Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tasered.
On June 1st, 2024, Monroe County officers responded to a battery complaint at a restaurant on Duval Street, Key West. 1 tourist, 3 criminal charges, 1 preventable outcome.
I tried.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Let's go.
All right.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
It's not fine because he's behind the counter.
Yeah, it's fine. Go. Just go, babe. It's fine. Like, there was just...
No. Sit down.
Babe, all right.
Hey,
All right, babe,
let's go.
Hey, don't touch me.
All right, babe. All right,
Back
all right.
up.
Stop.
I don't care where you're from. Sit down.
Stop.
Sit down somewhere.
Just sit.
Sit down.
It's fine, please.
It's
Just
not
sit.
fine.
He got...
What do you mean it's not fine, mother?
You didn't find the ID.
Babe.
You don't all that shorts and
Find an
fucking
ID.
Show
I am. All right. It's fine. Please just leave him alone. I have my kids here. All right,
What are you gonna do?
Stop.
What are you gonna do?
Please stop.
Oh, I can't arrest you.
All right, look,
I
just
can't
stop.
arrest you.
For
Leave
what?
him alone. Stop. You're good. You're good.
For
You're
what?
good. This is
For
why
what?
you don't drink. Stop.
For what?
Stop.
All right, show him.
That's
For
it.
what?
That's it. You don't even know. It's okay.
Because I know the legal.
Just stop. We're on a cruise. You cannot get arrested right now.
What can you
Stop.
trap me for?
Please stop.
Don't
Oh my God.
Call
Alright, just
Squad
stop.
has
Just
to
leave
come
it
here.
alone. Don't listen to him. Can you stop?
That's not the way it works.
Yeah, it does, dumb.
Stop! You're gonna go to jail and then what? I'm gonna be alone on the cruise.
placed in
Alright, stop! You're gonna get arrested and not go alone on the cruise. Please stop! I'm done. Yeah, that's it. Stop. Alright, stop. I'm begging of you, stop! We're on a cruise.
Fine. I'm saying why? Because
That's it. Okay, stop. We're on a cruise. You
No,
cannot
man,
get
I'm not
arrested.
Car court.
Alright, stop. Stop! We're on a cruise! You cannot get arrested. Then what? You're gonna be in the Bahamas. Stop! You see? There you go. There you go. There you go, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Now you're gonna be in jail, and then what?
For what? They can't arrest me.
They're gonna arrest you for that.
No, they can't. For what?
So be quiet. Shut your mouth.
I didn't do nothing.
Shut it.
Oh, at the very least, disorderly.
All right,
I
please.
did.
All right. Look.
That's the sergeant.
Please, look.
That's
He
the
tried.
sergeant.
He
Sergeant.
tried. Look. He tried
Sergeant,
to
come
talk.
here, bro.
He tried to. Can I
Sergeant.
talk? Can you shut your mouth?
I don't want to talk
Shut
to
up. Hey, look.
Fuck. I want to talk to the sergeant.
Look. All he tried to do was
Sergeant.
tip, and the guy like went like this, and said like he like wiped his hand away, and so it set him off. But please, I'm asking of you. My kids are home with my parents, and I'm on a cruise. Just let us walk out, and that's it. I'm begging of you.
Ma'am, that's up to him.
Huh?
Ma'am, that's up to him.
Yeah,
Huh?
that's up to him.
And the attitude he's been given so far.
Because
Right.
if he were
Okay, just stop.
hold on.
If you act good, we're leaving. Just stop.
Talk to me.
Please, I'm begging of you. We have our
Hey.
kids at home.
Talk to me real quick. Here's the problem.
We
Wait,
did a
hold
pub
on.
crawl, and it's just like
get it.
the guy set him off, and that's it. I'm
Let
begging
me
you.
talk real quick.
All right, babe. Okay, I'm talking to them. Just stop.
His attitude is going to indicate a continuation if he leaves here.
I know. No, we're leaving. We're going back to the cruise. We're
If
fine.
you guys leave here, go back to the. If I get called on him again, he's going to jail.
Right. That's fine.
There's.
Okay, so look.
We gotta figure out what else to do.
Sit down.
He
We're
said
not
thank
done
you.
yet.
Sit down.
Hey, say thank you. They're saying good.
I'm saying thank you.
He said thank you. He said
I
thank
want
you.
you to sit down.
I'm saying
You can
thank
say
you.
thank you after we're
After,
done. Sit
after,
down.
I'm saying
after.
thank
We're
you.
not done
Sit
yet.
He's
down.
saying
We're not
after.
done
Just
yet.
sit down, please. Babe.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. I just. He's going on disorderly.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
Thank you. You see?
Stand up.
All right. Stand up.
No, please stop. No, don't.
You better let go of
You
me.
guys, stop.
Let go of me. Now.
Let go.
Oh my God.
Let go. Let go.
I cannot believe this.
You're about to get seriously injured. You better let go of my mother collar.
Babe, you did this to yourself.
Stand back. Let go.
Babe,
can't
stop!
breathe. I can't breathe. Put your hands, you're gonna get tasered.
Vic, stop!
I said okay. Put your hands behind your back or you're getting tasered. I said okay. Fuck you.
Hey, like what's wrong with you?
I said okay.
I told you! I told you!
I said okay.
I told you that I have to go back to the room by myself!
Better quit pulling away. Stop.
I cannot believe it!
Stop. I said okay.
I cannot believe it! Cannot believe it!
Probable cause for warrantless arrest is established under Florida Statute 901.15 when a felony has occurred or a misdemeanor is committed in officer's presence. Both conditions were met on arrival. 3 charges resulted: disorderly conduct, Florida Statute 877.03 misdemeanor, up to 60 days; battery on a restaurant employee, Florida Statute 784.03 misdemeanor, up to 1 year; resisting arrest with violence, Florida Statute 843.01, a third-degree felony, up to 5 years. The bodycam footage is the primary evidence for the felony count. Physical resistance grabbing at officers refusing restraint satisfies the statute's offering violence element. On use of force, Graham versus Connor, 1989, requires objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Verbal commands failed. A taser warning achieved compliance without deployment. The 11th Circuit holds that verbal defiance alone does not justify physical force, active resistance does. This escalation sequence is legally defensible. On speech, City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, protects verbal challenges to police, including profanity. The subject's words were constitutionally protected. His physical conduct was not. The arrest rests entirely on physical acts, not on anything said. Procedural note: no Miranda advisement is captured on footage. However, under Rhode Island versus Innis, 1980, spontaneous statements made without interrogation are generally admissible. The gap is procedural, not necessarily dispositive, but must be documented.
I cannot believe it! No, no!
24-12.
Please!
Why are you guys arresting me for what?
Please
I didn't
don't!
go over the hour. I can't wait.
Please don't send him to jail! Please!
Back up.
Good?
Back
All
up.
right.
Oh my God!
24 to 12, you're probably going to want to respond out here.
Oh my God! Babe!
Stand up.
Babe! Babe! Look at what you did! I cannot believe it!
Stand up.
Hey, you're not letting me with the process. Why did you let me go here? You guys got lost in your foot.
I cannot believe it!
Can't hurt.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh my God!
You need to stay back. You need to stay back.
I'm sorry!
You need to stay back.
That's too hot. That's too hot. That's too hot. That's too hot. You f***ing idiot. F*** you. I said it's too hot. I said it's too hot. You f***ing dumb. It's against my losses. You were not in charge. Crack me, crack me. You don't know what the f*** you're talking about, you dumb f***.
Alright, babe, please stop.
You dumb f***. It's too hot. It's too hot. You have to give me air
What do I
ventilation,
do?
dumb fuck.
You're on a cruise ship here?
I'm going to 626 Duval Street, correct? Okay,
You good?
Cam's right there.
Dustin,
I'm going to go get the air. We got to fix it.
Last one I had.
You good?
Yeah.
What's
jump at the window. He's not gonna stop talking.
Yeah. Does he know your phone number by heart?
It is my birthday.
Is he figuring out if he has
Do you have his phone or anything you want him to go with? No, yes. They're
Can
gonna
I get
take
him out
soon.
tomorrow?
Why? I don't know what time that is. Tomorrow, yes. Where are you guys from?
Miami is my birthday tomorrow. It's like, yeah, it's like now.
I think he's inside right now.
Now I'm literally on the boat by myself. I'm literally like,
I'll get with him.
it's like, can I ask you, like, tomorrow's my birthday, like, how can I get him out?
He's not gonna be out by tomorrow. I mean, he'll have to go to first appearance tomorrow morning.
What do I do by myself now on the boat?
I mean, you have your ticket. You're gonna have to go home or and send someone back down, or you're gonna have to stay tonight. You're from Miami, right? You either have to find a hotel and stay the night, or you're gonna have to go home and then come back down. He made this decision. We tried to allow you guys to go, and you wanted to continue.
You can't let him go.
No,
No, absolutely not.
not after fighting. He's going to jail.
Can I at least talk to him?
No.
No, it's just making matters worse. Every time you talk to him, you got amped back up in there.
So what do I do now?
Go back to the boat.
You're
And
free to
then-
go.
You can call down to the county in the morning.
It's Monroe County Sheriff's Office.
How do I get back? Do you know?
How do you get back where?
To the boat.
Yep,
Straight down that way.
yep. You'll see it as you go down that way. Pretty much all the way at the end. All the way at the end and to your left.
Same Mallory Square on your GPS.
So he won't be out tomorrow.
Probably not.
Maybe in the afternoon, but he's got to go see the judge first.
Because I'll promise you this, ma'am, if he continues to act this way, the judge is not
Can
going
you
to see him.
do me a favor? I'm just asking you from the kindness of my heart. When I leave, talk to him kindly and just tell him what I
And
said.
I've been trying to from the minute we
He's just
walked in.
upset. But
Voice
tell
out
him if he
sometimes.
talks calmly, if he talks calmly, he'll
Good. Do you have Paul's in here?
I had gloves on. He didn't break the
Oh,
glove.
okay, okay, okay.
Get out. You're going to step into your sandals. Need some help standing up?
Yes, sir.
All right. Put your feet in the sandals. Got you. You're good.
She's hurt. She's hurt. She's hurt.
All right, pull it out a little bit. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Flashlight.
Nothing wrong. I'm wrong.
Yep.
Sir, no way, please. I can't feel my hand. I can't feel my hand. No, left hand.
That one's pretty loose, man.
Officers receive a B. Probable cause was sound force escalation proportional, and a conditional release was offered before arrest. Genuine de-escalation practice. Deduction Miranda advisement not captured on camera. The subject receives a C+. His First Amendment rights were never at issue. The arrest rests on physical conduct alone. A conditional release was offered and refused. Every charge filed traces directly to decisions made when a lawful exit was still available. The girlfriend receives an A-. She de-escalated consistently, provided factual context without obstruction, and cooperated throughout. Minor deduction for unintentional interference during the arrest sequence.
Going upstairs and then they're coming off. So
But it's not in here.
Goes in the corner to the left.
stand right in the door.
I'm actually very, very quiet.
Okay.
Can I be loose tonight?
No, you won't be loose
For the
tonight.
kids, man. You have no kids?
I have kids.
Okay? So what the fuck? You never drink in your life?
Hey,
Okay.
chill out, man.
You never drink in life?
Calm down.
Chill out.
You guys never drank in your life? This you've never drank in your life, you
It's on
bald
your right.
ugly
Go sit down on the bed.
I'm gonna go like you control my record. So take a seat.
Sit down.
Right there.
You never drink, you bald fuck.
Sit down.
You bald f. I know you're bald.
Someone said she's gonna transport.
You should let me go.
Why?
I'm not a asshole, man. I'm not a
What's that?
I have better hairlines than all four of you.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you, especially you, mother.
I don't know. I got pretty good hair. You
No,
got pretty good hair too. We do.
Yeah, for how old are you? How old are you?
I don't know. He
No,
ain't got no hair though.
you're horrible. You're done. You have a horrible hairline. How about you? Well, how old are you?
It's ours.
I'll
Later,
do-
they did, so.
That's probably the
It
nicest
doesn't
thing
matter.
anybody said to you today.
And I'm more accepting than you. I do AC. I do AC. I do AC. You're gonna feel like a dick when you feel that when I work for it. I work for the county. Sir, I work for the county. You guys are gonna feel like
Okay.
I'm just talking about hairlines. It's not that big of a deal. You have a better hairline than 20-some-year-olds. That's great. You feel great about that, right?
Sure.
Why are they upset? I'm just talking about hairlines. Can I talk about that? I'm just talking about their hairlines. You don't think we're essential? Sir,
What?
you don't think we're essential?
Who's
You think
essential?
we're
Who?
AC guys?
No, I love AC guys.
Ask these guys.
I'm sure they do too.
I'm one of them. I stopped at 7 o'clock. This is an asshole move that you guys pulled out me, man. I was pro cops. But after this call, man, can I just get these removed?
Yeah, they're gonna take them
I'm
off
not
in a
gonna do
second.
nothing. I'm not gonna do
What?
anything, man.
You talked to
Please, sir.
the victim inside,
Sir.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do something now.
I'm not gonna lose my
I'll
job for
tell
this
him.
shit. Please,
Okay.
sir, please.
You have to stay in cuffs
Like,
until they come.
please, man. Like, I'll say against Chris. Like, please,
Are you gonna do a supplement second?
please,
I'll
man.
do,
I'm not
does
gonna
the
do
PC
this shit,
statement
man.
won't be for, or do we need to add that into the PC statement too?
No, absolutely everything.
I didn't talk to him, but he'll be doing the stuff for that.
Well, that's why we're there.
Okay, so we'll just do a brief
Yeah.
blurb.
See,
See sub.
yeah.
Okay. I mean, that's how we would do it too, so.
I'm not doing.
Because he gave me a brief rundown, so.
I mean, it was still ongoing when we arrived too, so.
Oh, yeah. He brought up a good.
You assholes will be in the same position in back in the day.
Yeah, there's that too.
Sir,
What's
you
up?
guys will be in the same position back today. I'm gonna trade. Who the cares? If I drink 2 beers, 3 beers, who the cares? It's the same back in the day.
Key lesson: legal thresholds compound fast. Verbal defiance is protected. Refusing to sit is not an offense. Physically resisting a lawful arrest is a felony. The gap between those is narrow and irreversible. When an officer offers a conditional release, that is the last available exit. Rejecting it does not preserve rights. It forfeits them. Case status at time of analysis is unknown. Records are searchable through the Monroe County Clerk of Courts. The felony count under 843.01 is the controlling matter. Let us know if there is an interaction or a legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.